20%.
The following message is from the Singapore Government Office of Civil Defence (SGOCD). Sistem Amaran Awam seluruh Singapura on Monday, 15 September 2025 at 6:20 p.m. in commemoration of Civil Defence Day. SCDF will be sounding the important news signal through the island-wide network of the Public Warning System (PWS), SIRENs, and the SG Secure mobile application. The SCDF said those who hear the siren on your phones are not on silent or vibration mode, and the signal will stop once the message is acknowledged or cease after 20 seconds, and will be followed by a brief text on the PWS sounding. Please do not be alarmed. When you hear the signal, tune into MediaCorp radio stations or free-to-air TV channel for 2-minute brief message on the public warning system. So, attention everyone, please keep a lookout for it and do take note immediately. And the SCDF said 2 events once only. That will do the important message signal of the public warning system. 2 events once only. One is Total Defence Day, falls on the 15th of February. Second is Civil Defence Day on the 15th of September, or you can call it International Firefighters Day, IFD. All around the world will celebrate International Firefighters Day. So, this message is brought to you by Singapore Government Office of Civil Defence and SCDF, the life-saving force for a safer Singapore.